Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss logic number systems. Computers and other digital circuit uses digital signals which require data which may be numeric, alphabet or some special character. So logic number system are the some suitable form or standard form of available information. Logic number system is a representation in which an ordered set of symbols are used to specify any number. Logic gates and logic circuits are associated with mathematical logic or logic number system. This is a study of computations which logical values with some logical values such as true or false and some logical operators such as and, or and not. In context of logical number system, on is representing true and off represent false. This also uses Boolean algebra in which letters are used to represent logic values. These letters are combined using logical operators and, or, and not. Logic number system are broadly classified as number system, we may call it as a numeric system, and ASCII code. ASCII code is known as American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is a 7-bit code widely used in computer and related areas. Number systems are further classified into 3 or 4 major type of the systems. The first one is decimal number system. Second one is binary number system. Third is known as bits or bytes. Byte is a group of 8 bits. Hexadecimal number system, octal number system, and these number systems are also converted among different systems. Let us discuss digital number system. Digital number system is a number system with base 10. This base is also known as radix. The 10 digits used to represent any number are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Binary number system is a number system which consists of 2 digits 0 and 1. The base of this number system is 2. Octal number system are the number system with base of 8 or radix of 8 that uses digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Hexadecimal number system are those number systems that uses digit 0 through 9 and the alphabet A through F, and its base is 16 or the radix is 16. This table shows the relationship between all the 4 type of number system. In hexadecimal number system, the number or the digit starts from 0 to 9, then alphabet A to F. In the case of octal number system, digit starts from 0 to 7, then 10 to 17. In the case of decimal, it is a digit. In the case of binary, it is the combination of 0 and 1 as shown in the table. Now let us see the conversion of one number system to the another number system. Let us discuss decimal to binary conversion. Suppose we are to convert 200 decimal into a binary number system. We will divide the 200 with the base, that is 2 in the case of binary. We will get the result 100 and remainder is 0. Then again divide the 100 with the base. Now we are getting the result equal to 50 and the remainder is 0. Now again divide the 50 with 2. Now answer is 25. Remainder is 0. Again divide the 25 with 2. Now we are getting remainder as a 1. We will divide till we receive the 0 and some remainder. Now we will place these reminders in a set starting from lower side down to up, and this down digit will become the MSB, most significant bit number, and the top digit will become LSB, least significant bit. Now the decimal number 200 has been converted into 11001000 as a binary number system. Now let us see the binary to decimal conversion. Suppose we are to convert 11001001 into a decimal conversion. We will start from the LSB and we will multiply the LSB with 2 raised to power 0. Then we will multiply the next digit with 2 raised to power 1 and so on. We will multiply the MSB with the 2 raised to power n, where n is the overall length of this binary number system. Now in this case, this will give us 393 as an answer, and this is the binary conversion to decimal 1. Now let us see decimal to octal conversion. In this case, let we take an example of 266 as a decimal. We will divide 266 with 8 because in the case of octal the radix or base is 8. Now we are getting 33 as an answer, but we are getting 2 as a remainder. We will divide 33 with 8 again. Now we are getting 4 as an answer, but remainder 1 we are receiving in the last column. Now again we will place the digits from down to up, and this will give us 412 as a conversion in the form of octal of digital number system 266. Now let us see octal to decimal conversion. In this conversion we will multiply the LSB with 8 raised to power 0 and MSB with 8 raised to power n, where n is the length of the number system. Now in this case 372 as a octal number system has been converted into 250 as a decimal number system. Now let us see decimal to hexadecimal conversion. In this case we will divide the decimal number with 16 because 16 is the base in the case of hexadecimal conversion. Now again we will place the last digit or the down digit as a first one and the upper digit as a LSB or in the right hand side. Now in this case 423 as a decimal number system has been converted into 1A7 as a hexadecimal number system. Now let us see hexadecimal conversion into decimal number system. Suppose we are to convert 2AF into a decimal number system, we will multiply it with the 16 raised to power 0 as a F as a LSB, and this F is nothing, it is 15 in the case of hexadecimal, and we will sum up all the three conversions and we will have the result, that is 687 in this case. Now let us see octal to binary conversion. In this case we are taking an example 5431 as a octal number system. We will convert this octal number system into a binary number system. Now we will write down all the digits separately and we will make the group of 3 digits. Suppose 1 is converted into the binary form, it will be 1. 0 has been padded here to complete the process. Now next number is 3. Now 3 is 1. In this case 0 is added to complete the set. 4 is 100. 5 is in the binary form is 101. Then we will club all these binary numbers together and we will have the conversion of octal number system to binary number system. Now let us see binary to octal number conversion. Suppose this is an example. Now here we will make the set of 3 digits and each 3 digits are then represented as a binary number. In the first case 110 is nothing, it is 6. 010 is equal to 2. 011 is equal to 3. So 326 is the octal number of this example. Now let us see hexadecimal to binary conversion. In this case, let the example is 9F2. Now we will write the set of 4 digits in the case of hexadecimal, like 2 is 10. So we have added 2 zeros in the case of 2 to complete the set of 4 digits. Now F is replaced by 1111 and 9 is replaced by 1001, and then we will club all these 3 sets and we will have the conversion in the form of binary form. Now let us see binary to hexadecimal conversion. Suppose this is an example. In this case we will make the group of 4 digits and each group is assigned according to their hexadecimal position, and this is the representation of binary form of 101011001010 into a hexadecimal conversion, that is AB2. Now let us see hexadecimal to octal conversion. Let us take an example of hexadecimal number, that is A72E. In this case we will first convert this hexadecimal into a binary conversion. This will be the answer in the binary form. Now we will make the 3-digit set of each binary conversion. Here there are 7 sets are arising and these are converted into the octal form, and the solution is nothing, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 in the octal number system. Now let us see octal to hexadecimal conversion. Suppose 716 is to be converted into hexadecimal number system. In this case, first we will convert this octal number system into binary number system. Then we will make the pair of 4 digits. In this case, 3 sets are becoming, and these sets are represented according to their hexadecimal form, and this is the solution of this example. Now 716 in octal form is converted into 1CE in hexadecimal form. These are the various type of conversions and various type of logic number systems. Thank you very much.